How to delete contacts on iPhone. Deleting contacts on iPhone is a very simple process. Firstly, navigate to your contacts or phone app. You will generally see this app at the very bottom. Open the app and go to Contacts tab from the bottom. Here, scroll and find the contact that you would like to delete. Once you have found the contact that you would like to delete, simply click on the contact to view more options. Now you will land to an interface like this. At the top right corner, click on the edit option. And now another interface like this will open. In this page, you simply need to scroll down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom, you will see the option Delete Contact. Click on the Delete Contact option. It will again ask you if you are sure to delete the contact or not. Simply click on Yes to confirm. Once you do that, then the contact will be deleted from your device. That's all for today. Thank you.